Shadeen Shari. It is Friday, August 16th, 2024. The slew of economic data yesterday didn't come out the way I wanted to see, but hey, I'm not going to complain. When the net result is higher value for the portfolio, I'm not going to complain. Take the gains. TD, if you still have it, it's time to go. I exit the last time. I did not re-enter the last dip. Um, it would have been great to re-enter down there. Yeah, no brainer, right? So in the future, if it come down to the 54 range, absolutely, I will re-enter, right? So use TA for your advantage. Okay, it's now that yesterday it peaked right into the GTFO. Get the F out. For those that don't know the terminology that I use here and there, it's GTFO time yesterday. But if you missed it or forgot to put in your order, put it in. Okay, put it in. If you want to be a little bit greedy, put in, say, up there like 59 and a half. But for sure, somewhere in the 59-ish range is the GTFO range. Okay, just use TA. Now it's important more than ever to use TA to trim. Okay, it's important. Just like not that I put it in the headline, but just go back to one of the stock that I talked about yesterday, Cisco. Just look, I talk about where it could be, right? And look at how TA wise it traded yesterday. We know it's gonna open in the 48, right? So I said, get ready, and if that has enough juice, it's gonna get right up there into that reference high, right? This zone here in the 50 that it met quite a few times over the past 6 months and rejected. And guess what? It got there. It got there and rejected and came right down and set on a 200. Not random. You have heard me many times if you've been here long enough. The word not random. Okay, it is the bot is in control. Any otherwise, any other way you trade without thinking what the bot is thinking, you're on the other opposite side of the trade. Whirlpool. Oh, look at that! It is it's getting interesting. Would I buy the dip in Whirlpool? Once again, I exit Whirlpool here. Yeah, that was a nice trade. I did not buy back into Whirlpool here when it filled the gap. My bad. I should have. Okay, too busy with all the other trade. That's the thing. But I'm gonna put in an order. I want to put in an alert so that I don't forget the next time. Alert. Buy the dip. Okay. It feel like I said, everything trade very TA wise. Came down, filled the gap, and bang. Now I kind of like. I'm not bullish on the home builder sector. I'm not. I'm just trading it based on what TA is showing me. Okay. And for now, I'll break out. I'm watching this. Okay. If this white line right here, there's two white line, right? This downtrend is critical. Buying off this was a no-brainer. This breakout fail. Okay, this is a failed breakout. Check back, fail. and we'll see. This could be a fail, and if it fail and come back into my alert, I will buy the dip. Why is this white line important up there? Let's go. Why did I make it white? Go back 3 years, see what happened. You see it? See the lower white line? Key long-term support. No brainer to buy, right? And here we are. Okay, this is a downtrend. Yeah. Is there any significant if we go back further than 3 years? Let's see. 5 years. 3 years. Okay, 3 years. There's no significant, but for sure that downtrend has been ugly. That's okay, right? We like it. So I am very interested into this potential second attempt of breakout on this multi-year downtrend, right? So that's my take on Whirlpool. I liked it more than many other stock in this sector. Last for the day, DraftKNG. Football season is back. All right, I was in, out. I've been adding. I like this. On that big market meltdown, big sell-off, right? That was ugly. But guess what? I just threw this in last week to see where the meltdown can end it. And it, once again, trade fairly ETA wise. Okay, so it was in an up channel. Let's go back to the 3-year chart. This has been a fairly nice up channel, and it fell out of that channel. So now you have a down channel. Okay. So would I buy the dip into 30? Yeah, I would. I would add to the dip into that DraftKings here. It's potentially you can get 20%. I like the odds here. Okay, I like DraftKings. No doubt, there is no doubt in my mind that football season is always very bullish for DraftKings. The way many people bet on football more so than any other sport. Tell me if I'm wrong for those that do play. Okay, so I do think that there is a good chance here if you can buy the dip into the low 30s, and potentially it can visit 39.40 up there, right? So I do think it is a 10 to 20% gain if we can get it in the low 30s. That's it for today. Should be an easy Friday, unless the market has some kind of rug pull action that we are not aware or can foretell. Later, people.